I'm gonna do the Cardi B mask. I already blended it up. So there's a lot of ingredients and a lot of measuring and yeah. And, I know I have this bid on courtesy of HEB, but that's it's because I wanted to try and contain the mess. So, without further ado, I guess I'm just gonna like dive in with my hands. Oh shit, oh, I dropped some. This has a lot of oil in it. Yeah, I just picked that up. I thought we're not gonna waste any here. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I was like, this in my head was a good idea, and then I was like, there's sharp blades in here. Maybe really not a great idea. Yeah, I'm gonna say that for a while. No, I really like how Cardi B got everybody doing this mask. She didn't give out no measurements. She didn't say if you should wash your hair before you do this. Maybe she did that part, I don't know. Maybe I missed. She didn't say how long to leave it on for. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. My hair is so crunchy from all this dyeing I've been doing to it. Oh man. I'm praying for the benefits of this. I don't really know what to talk about. I've been wondering like what I should talk about on this adventure of mine. I have a lot of cool stories from like growing up. Like I was in a raid. I did a lot of things I shouldn't have done. Some cool fights that involved cool movie lines. And, I was like, I don't want to say like off social media because I was posting stuff, but I wasn't really like checking other people's. Like I wasn't, checking my usual profile that I check. I don't know. I don't know how to say this. And it was just funny because new fan of Jeffree Star's, and man. It's really hit the fan for him, hasn't it? Like, what is going on? And it's just so funny how it amazes me how rapid the internet just like. I mean, there's so many videos. Like you just type it in, and it's just like video after video after video. I was like totally wormhole for like, or what is it? Rabbit down the hole. Like, no idea. But I mean, I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on it? And I find it funny how like, I don't know, I guess they're called drama channels. How some of them, not all of them, because some of them I watched and they were not repeating. They were obviously the topic was repetitive, but the information was not. The videos were different. But some of them, it was literally like, the only reason I knew it was a different video is because the clip was different when they were talking about the same exact thing, like almost verbatim, like literally. Like they just take the same voiceover and then run it over different clips. Like that's kind of, it's kind of lame. I don't know if that's what they're doing. I just know that some of the channels when I was watching, because what I would do is just like watch one channel and then watch like 5 videos or, you know, however many. But I did notice that when I was listening to them, I was like, did I watch this video already? Because I'm watching the same channel back to back, so it's like, it's easier to do the same thing. It's just like, I don't know. I think that's kind of lame. If that is what they're doing. I mean, like, I don't know. You know, there's all this like talk. I think it's funny. That's what I think. I think it's funny that the talk is like, is this enough to cancel Jeffree Star? Is Shane Dawson also canceled? Who cares? I think there's more important things in the world, right? Going on than this. I don't know. Is it a conspiracy from the government to distract us? I don't know. It's my opinion, my thought. I don't. This is just me over here. Talking to myself, putting on a Cardi B hair mask. Ah! Damn it. Don't mix with the wet ones. You're not ready. Is that water? Is that water or is that my floor creaking? Hope I blended it just enough. The blender was making a weird noise. I might need to get a new one. This is like making me cold. Getting all on my scalp. Neck face. I feel like I'm trying to be like really sparing with this, and maybe I don't need to be. Being a crazy person, taking crazy pills. I don't know, New Zealander. Oh man, sorry, like I had seen Zoolander when it came out, and then True Blood came out, right? Well, I remember True Blood, fucking Eric goddamn Northman, because sexy Nordic ass. Right, Nordic? No. He was a Viking, right? Wasn't he a Viking? I don't know. Whatever he was supposed to be. I don't remember at this point. It's been too long since I watched that show. Then I watched Zoolander again, and he's one of the models that's like Zoolander's roommates, the ones that are like kind of like right away in the beginning of the movie, they're at the gas station and they're playing with all the gas pumps. He's one of the dudes that dies in the gas pump, and then they like build a statue. of a plan with the gas pumps. Why would that be the monument you pick to remember your friends? Like, what is that? Oh, I love that movie. Will Ferrell's great in it too. Oh, man. I had been at the piano key midtime. Oh, it's hilarious. If you haven't seen that movie and you need a laugh, I highly suggest that you go watch that movie. It's fantastic. And then watch the second one, because there's a part 2. That's great. It's really great. I don't know. You guys tell me some great movies. Oh, a movie that I just saw, another great movie, The Gentleman. So I guess this is, I don't know how I didn't know this was filmed by Guy Ritchie, because I really like him. He's up there, for me, Quentin Tarantino, like, level. That's what he's at for me. I'm into, I don't know. What do you call people that are like really cinephile? I'm cinephile. Whatever that means. I don't know what that means. I don't even know if I am one. I have no idea what the definition of that word is. But anyways, okay, so The Gentleman, right? Great movie. Guy Ritchie, I love it. First of all, Hugh Grant is in that movie. Did anybody, if you do know about this movie, did you know Hugh Grant was in it before you saw it? Like, I knew everybody else was in it, but I did not know. I don't know how I missed that juicy little tidbit. Oh, he plays a character that's so kind of like, I don't know, for me, I would say out of character. I wasn't expecting you guys to play that kind of character, but I love it. It's great. Fantastic. I don't want to spoil the whole movie, so I don't know how much I'm going to tell you right now. So. I guess I can say maybe this one part. So Matthew McConaughey is like one of the main characters. He plays like this super cool pot dealer. And you should go see it for that. And because Hugh Grant plays an out of character person. You have to see it to understand. Like, I don't know, I'm used to Hugh Grant from like those stupid like romantic comedies. Isn't that what he's known for? Like, what would you expect him to be in a Guy Ritchie film? Like, you know, Guy Ritchie's known for like Snatch, Rock and Rolla, these like gangster type movies. Not this, you know, like he's not known for that, so I'm saying. That's my point, okay? He's just, I would have never expected Hugh Grant to be in a Guy Ritchie movie. I'm trying to think, like, who would be like a really unexpected person to be like, there's still so much of this mask. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't want to go to waste. I mean, nah, I have a lot of hair. Oh. Okay, I thought I cut myself. I felt the blade. And I just stick my hand right back in. Because that's safe. Come on, yeah. That's real safe. Good job. Good job. So yesterday was Father's Day. I hope everybody had a great one. The world is a crazy place. I don't. Okay, let me do this. I can see how much. to leave this on my head for 30 minutes. And then rinse out, and then I'll come back and we can talk about the resultados. So I totally just fell asleep last night and forgot to record the after effects. But for a second, my hair felt really dry, and I think I kind of fucked up because I rinsed it out, but it didn't feel like I was rinsing it all the way out. So I actually washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner. I used that Wow Skin Science Argan Oil combo duo. So that's what I use. But I will say, this morning when I woke up, my hair was a little frizzy, per usual. And I brushed it, and it's like super, super soft. And I thought about getting on here and like flat ironing my hair. But my flat iron's fucking shitty as fuck, and my hair probably just needs to enjoy this mask and whatever. But I definitely probably will do this again and not rinse it out, or rinse it out, but like rinse it out with like cold water, and only rinse it out and not shampoo my hair. I don't know, okay, because Cardi did not give us instructions on this stupid hair mask. I mean, it works, I think. I'm pretty sure. I feel like it works. But we'll see. I don't know. Cardi, can you repost the stuff, and can you give us better instructions? Can you give us measurements? Can you give us instructions? Does it go on dry hair? Should I wash my hair first and then put the mask on? Oh, and how long are we supposed to leave the mask on? I know I said I was going to do 30 minutes, but I ended up doing an hour because people called me. It's like, why are you calling me at 10 o'clock at night? Like, I don't have a life. You're sitting here trying to do hair masks to my damaged hair because I color it all the time. But I say give it a go. I'm gonna post the recipe that I used, that I created from watching a couple different YouTubers do it. None of the videos I found had a recipe. I just watched them make it, and then I kind of did my own thing because their hair was a lot shorter than mine. Like, look how long my hair is. It's ridiculously long. I got enough hair probably for like 3 people. I mean, I don't want to cut it, but it's got lots of dead ends too. I probably need to cut it. Should have told my esthetician to cut it. And my pimple's gone. Thank you, by the way, for that. Shout out to Epic Skincare for taking care of this pimple. It was right here. Can you see it? I don't see it. You let me know. Can you see this? Oh, maybe a little bit. Yeah. It was bad. It was huge. It's gigantic. Give him a ring on Google Maps or whatever. In Houston. That's where he's located at. All of my skincare needs. This almost flawless face is all thanks to him. And water. Not really. I don't drink a lot of water. That's not true. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Or myself. Alright. Try the mask. Let's blow up Cardi's Instagram and tell her to give us the actual recipe and the instructions. Peace out.